Hey Jordan, hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In the screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business with KC Local Cabinet Painting. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do and impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, "I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me?" So if by the end of the video you like what you hear, and you can see the skills that will help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over with you is your content. So, in order for your business to be optimized to Google, your landing page, aka homepage, which is this right here, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, I found your site has about 149 currently. So, I'm going over a competitor along with yours. And competitor already searched their content, right? This is Elite Painting KC. So, in comparison with Elite Painting KC, they have about 645 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month, people are searching for these keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. In turn, you're missing out on potential clients. So, as you can see, when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs, it shows what your site is actually dense with. Now, you have a Wix site, which is a pretty good platform to use. But your site's dense with at least 5 backlinks, 2 referring domains, and 2 organic keywords. So I'm slightly going to organic keywords since you only have a few. And I'm going to show you a competitor. So, this is yours right here. You have Fox Painting Kansas City and Cabinet Painting Kansas City. 2 great keywords. Now, the reason why I like these keywords is because it has a niche or a type of painting. And then you have the city that you want to rank for. These are buyer intent keywords is what I like to call them, because people who search for these are looking for a service. Now, what goes into each keyword is volume KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. And going deeper into each one of these, volume is how many times this keyword is searched per month. KD is how hard it is to rank this keyword, with backlinks linking back to your landing page or homepage, whichever one you want to optimize first, which I recommend the homepage. And cost per click deals with AdWords or any advertisements that you want to do. Traffic is how much traffic you're getting from the position that you're in out of the volume being searched per month. So say you're in the first position, right? You'd be getting at least a third, maybe a fourth of the volume or of the traffic from the volume going back to your landing page. So now that you know this about what keyword is, let's go over to your competitor. Now, don't be surprised because they have been doing SEO. So 1,200 backlinks, 225 referring domains, and 683 organic keywords. Now, this is bringing in a total of 5.4 thousand people per month, which is an average of about 51,000 traffic value. Now, this is how much they're bringing in per month. Estimated, actually, because they don't know the exact prices of what the bid was. But going more into organic keywords on their site, I'm going to show you what you should be looking for. Now, of course, you can always do painters near me, but this will be a little harder to rank because it's a 12 KD. Now, KD is scaled on a 0 to 100 scale. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. Now, this is getting 43,000 views per month, or searches per month. And they're getting about 3,000 of the 43,000 being searched because they're in the 4th position. Now, say they're in the 1st position, right? They probably be getting close to 12,000 people coming into painters near me. Now, let's go to an easier one I like to use, probably Cabinet Refinishing Kansas City. Now, pretty simple, right? This is bringing in about a total of 90 people per month searching for this keyword. Now, it's only on a scale of 2 out of 100. So it's pretty easy, and it's about $5 per click whenever you advertise it. Now they're getting about 32 people out of the 90 volume. So going back to what I said earlier, about a third of the search volume they're getting back to their website. People are going to their website because they're in the first position. Now getting these ranked is a little more complicated. It goes into backlinks, and we'll get to that. But the next optimization section is the second most important thing I like to go over, and this is called the Google Map Pack or Maps. So on these results, I looked up KC cabinet painting, right? You have the Google Map Pack or Maps. Let's go to View All. See, every business has a tab of their own. And in each tab, there's a business name, an address, and a phone number. Now, this is called Maps. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? Well, of course, getting your 5-star ratings up will definitely boost your authority with Google, and in turn, raising your scale up the ladder. Now, the behind-the-scenes part is what I like to call citations. So to answer your question, I go over this little tool called YSpark, and inside the tool is a local citation finder. So it says you have about 8 citation sources, 3 of which being in Facebook and 1 in Instagram, but the other 4 are probably not credible for Google to list as an authoritative citation. So to answer your question, these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on, right? Even Facebook and Instagram have a spot to where you can submit a citation, like you have. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a citation and how it helps your ranking in the Google Map Pack, let's go over to the next optimization section. And now this is another important aspect. This is what we call, that gives your site authority, link juice. So going back to organic listings, just click the back button right here. And we scroll down past this map pack. Sometimes there's ads up here. But you see Elite Paint in Kansas City. I compared you against the top rank because I just wanted to show you what marketing can do for your business. The second spot is Enhance. I think that's just a blog actually. Great Plains Painting Kansas City and HM Painting KC, so on and so on, right? Now, this is where you want to be on the first page. And to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So kind of like a popularity contest, right? But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So for another example, if you were to have like Crestwood Painting, right, has a painting in there, it'd be a lot more effective than if you had like a pizza linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, or you don't offer pizzas on your site. So it really wouldn't make any sense. Of course, you can still use it, but it wouldn't be as useful as a backlink from a painting site or a blog or a guest post. So I'm going to pull up Ahrefs again. And if you are looking to use this tool, I'll pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So go on to your backlinks. You can see this little bit of link juice, right? You can see where the link is coming from, jujuju.com, and where it's going to, along with the anchor text, right? And backlink. So KC Local Cabinet Painting. That's the anchor text used to rank on this page. Now go on to your competitor real quick. They have about 1,200 backlinks. Now you can see where they're coming from, the Kansas City blog local, and where they're going to. Now each one has a different authority, DR and UR, domain rating and URL rating. Now you want these to be as high as you can get, and these are more authoritative sites to get links from. But the cool thing about this Ahrefs is that you can scroll down as far as you can and see what they are doing to rank their site, and you can do the same thing as well, as in take where they're coming from, where they're going to, and insert those keywords as anchor text. Hint, hint, I said keywords, right? Because we're going back to the keywords because you're ranking that keyword on your home page. So the 3 things we went over today. We went over content, citations, and backlinks or link juice. So for your content, you want at least 1,500 words on your home page or landing page. Any service pages or location pages, you want to rank those up as you go. As in, you can start with 500, but if you want to start ranking it, you want to get to the same amount of words that your home page has. So for your citations, the second name we went over, you need at least 200 or 300 of these, so you start beating out the competition in every aspect. I'll show you some of your competitors, as in neighborhood painting and restoration. They have 44, and these are all power washing, but you can see that they have lots of citations. And lastly, your link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And if that means taking each one of these and making them your own, well, that's what you got to do. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. I hope this is very valuable to you and you learned a little bit. But once again, my name is Sergio. Our number is 816-654-5822. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. I look forward to hearing from you, Jordan. You have a good one.